Another Amazon haul here. Let's see what it is. This little case, a bubble wrap. Let's open up this briefcase. Check it out. Oh man, look at those. Pretty nice material. They feel kind of sturdy. Let's get one put together. So just go something like that. Got a little tool here. Tighten them down. That's cool. And we also have an extension. We need to make it longer. That's pretty awesome. A couple different sets in here. It's kind of nice. It's got a decent review on them, so hopefully they turn out good. If so, there'll be a link in the description.